इमेजिन करिए आप एक 100 वॉट बल्ब हो and you want to achieve certain car, certain amount of money every month as a salary, or your business, or certain kind of a home you want to achieve. And in that, there is a frequency that thing is particularly vibrating. For example, let's take one example. You want to create a beautiful home for yourself, and that home vibrates at 1000 watts, and you are 100 watts. Now what will happen if that 1000 watt crosses 100 watt bulb? The bulb will burst, it will fuse itself. Exactly, that's why when you are manifesting something, when you want to achieve something, you want to create something in your life, that thing doesn't show up immediately because you are right now not vibrating at the same energy level that particular thing is vibrating at. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel On Part. Today, I am going to speak about that what is the science exactly behind when you want to achieve something, when you want to manifest something, what exactly you need to take care of. That if you take care of this one thing, it will make every manifestation, every goal achieving very easy for you. And that is matching the frequency of what you want to achieve. If your frequency is lower than the frequency of the thing that you want to achieve or you would like to have in your life, that thing won't show up in your life. If you would like to have that in your life, you have to match the frequency of that thing. Like in the starting of the video, I told you that if, for example, whatever you want to desire, like for example, let's take a home, a beautiful home you want to create in your life, your own home, and that is particularly vibrating at 1000 watt, and you are a 100 watt energy frequency. Do you really think that thing will be coming in your life easily? No, you have to first expand to 1000 watt, and the day you expand to 1000 watt, that thing will effortlessly show up in your life. Now the question is, how do you do that? How do you increase your energy? How do you expand your energy? But before that, I would also like to mention one thing. This is the same thing that happens when we are having any kind of problem in life. For example, you are suffering from some issue in your life, any issue, financial, health, relationship, anything, and you want that thing to go away from your life, you want that to change in your life. Again, you have to change your energy because your frequency, you're vibrating at the same frequency that problem is vibrating at. For example, you're vibrating at 50 or 100, and that suffering is also at 50 or 100. That's why this thing is coming in your life. The day you expand, the day you have more energy, more than 100, more than 100 watt, this is just an example I'm giving, these numbers are not real, it's just an example I'm giving. The day you vibrate more than that, that suffering will also go away from your life, and also you will achieve whatever things are available at that particular frequency. So now let's understand what are the things that you can do to basically expand your energy, to increase your frequency. Number one thing which I learned from my mentor was that you always be in gratitude, you always be in this remembrance actually that you already have it. This is the first and the most important thing which I am giving you at the starting only. That for example, you want to create a 10 crore income every month. Then how would you be, how would you talk, how would you sit, how would you walk, what energy would you be, what your lifestyle would be, what habits would be. Generally when I tell this, people take it like, oh, okay, if I would be earning 10 crore rupees, I will be spending it in this way. Just don't look at it in the manner of what kind of expenditure will you have after earning that much of money, but first what you will be. We'll focus on doing later. First we'll be focusing on the being, what you'll be. If just like right now, close your eyes and imagine you are earning 10 crore rupees every month. That is your income, you have achieved it. So, how will you talk? How will you walk? How will you eat? How will you dress? How will you be with people? How will you treat people? What kind of habits and disciplines would you be having in your life? Just go there and tap into that and start doing that. Every second, remember yourself, like every second, remind yourself actually that you are earning 10 crore rupees, and be in gratitude for that to the universe. That thank you, universe, I am achieving 10 crore rupees every month. This is the first and the foremost tool, but this is the most important tool that you need to do. Second, stop blaming and complaining in regard to that particular thing specifically. If it is money, stop doing any kind of negative thinking about money, blaming money, complaining about money. Any negativity around money will stop you from increasing your energy. You want to create a Mercedes, Stop feeling jealous of the people who already have it. When you see somebody driving their Mercedes, be grateful, be happy, like, wow, I also have this, I also have this. One particular tool that you can use is, that's for me, I learned it from somebody. And then you can just, you see somebody passing by in a Mercedes, you can, that's for me, this is another tool you can use. No negativity around anything that you desire to have. Number 3 is educate yourself more around that particular thing. You need education, and that education will expand your energy, will give you more information, and that will actually help you achieve whatever you desire. And number 4, my friend, is meditation. The most simplest thing, but I know it's not a simple thing to do, but it expands your energy and expands your frequency like nothing. So it's one of the most beautiful technique in the world. You can do any meditation you want. You can do simple om chanting, you can do your mantra chanting, anything you can do, and you can expand your energy. I hope this video helps you. If you have any particular question you would like to ask, or you want to know exactly what else you can do, then type expand in the comment section, and I will give you a tool that can help you, really help you, expand your energy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.